Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Propwire account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you export your lead list from Propwire? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to export your list from Propwire? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online real estate business, you know that you have to keep your VAs busy. So a lot of times you need to build your list in Propwire, and then you'll need to export it and send it over to your VAs, or maybe send it over to your skip tracer if you're not skip tracing in Propwire. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to export your list, first you need to build the list. This is not going to be a video on how to build a high converting list. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to build a quick list. So let me pull up Las Vegas, and then I'll do commercial, and then I'm going to do absentee owners, and then more individual. Okay, so this is just basically a random list. So what you're going to do next in order to export your list, you're going to go ahead and scroll through and then see which one of these you want to export. And if you want to export all of them, all you're going to do is click on this little box here on the top, and then you can see it's going to check all of them. If not, you can go ahead and check the ones that you would like to export. So for example, we'll export these two right here. Once you're ready to go ahead and export your list from Propwire, you're going to click on the number button here. It's in turquoise. Okay, so before we go any further, I want to let you know when you export your information, it's not really going to include their contact information. So if you want to do that inside of Propwire, you can do that by skip tracing right here on this button. However, if you're going to be sending this spreadsheet out to maybe someone else who's going to be skip tracing for you, then you can simply just click on download. If you're going to skip trace within Propwire, there is a cost associated with that. But if you're going to be sending it over to someone else, there's usually a cost associated as well. For today's video, I'm just going to go ahead and export and download the list by clicking here. And then you want to go ahead and choose download only, or again, like I said, you can skip trace and download. Okay, again, this is a paid service, so they're going to give you another pop-up. Are you sure you don't want to skip trace? Because it's going to give you their phone numbers, email addresses, social media profiles. For me, I'm going to click on yes, download. Now you get to choose what type of information you want to download. So do you want to just include the property and ownership details, or do you want to go ahead and include any kind of MLS listing details, mortgage and financial information, tax details, and foreclosure details? Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click on download. Okay, now they are processing my list. So it really depends on how many leads are going to be on your list. This is only 2 leads on this particular list, so it's going to be pretty quick. So you can go here to go to my activity. Okay, so here is my exported list right here. So we can go ahead and click on download. Okay, a quick second later, my list of leads has been exported, and I have the download right here. So you can see the Propwire ID number, and it includes all of the information that we requested. So address, city, state, what type of property, APN. So you don't necessarily need all of this information if you're going to be downloading or exporting your leads from Propwire, but that really depends on what you're going to be using the list for. It's nice that that information is available if you want that. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to export your leads from Propwire, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.